Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a certified pre-owned 2019 Ram Classic SLT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number E2509P. 12,000 miles on this Ram. Comes to us with a clean auto check Historybr report. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be certified pre-owned, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum carrier coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Ram seat 6, cloth interior. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Within floor storage, with removable bins for easy cleaning. Sliding rear window for extra ventilation. Backup camera for additional safety. Trailering package. That camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read. Again, only 12,000 miles. The driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Easy to operate. Radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Heating and air conditioning, cup holders and storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger, and dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7-liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.